Good morning. In today's class, I'm going. Good morning. In the today's class, I'm going to discuss the question answers or the worksheet of lesson number 1. So here, the first question is multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. Which which computers are referred to as mid-range servers? First generation computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, and mini computers. Guess your answers. Hurry up. Okay, the answer is mini computers. Second, fifth generation computers use the concept of artificial intelligence, microprocessors, integrated circuits, vacuum tubes. Fifth generation computer use the concept of artificial intelligence. Yes, still we are working on it. Still we are working on the artificial intelligence. Nowadays you already know about AI cameras. What is this? AI cameras generally manipulates their photo accordingly, according to the lighting condition, according to your color complexion. It creates your face, slim, etc. So we are working on it. Next, which computer uses CPU to work on a problem using the concept of parallel processing? Mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, workstation. So here we are talking about parallel processing. What is parallel processing? Where several processors working simultaneously. So it is only happens in supercomputer. So answer is supercomputer. In which generation computer transistors were used? Here we are talking about a transistor. So just remember the generation. First generation is of vacuum tubes. Second generation is of transistors. Yes. Okay. Now next move to the next question. VLSI stands for very long scale integration, very large scale integration, very large scale integrated, and very long scale integrated. The answer is very large scale integration. क्या है बे? हैं? बैठ जाओगे भी तो उनसे. Next, which computers are referred to as enterprise servers? Enterprise servers. If you remember, this line is written at the last in mainframe computers. Yes. Now we are going to discuss true false worksheet 2. Write T for true and F for false against the statements. First generation computers came into existence after 1980. Yes or no? The answer is absolutely false. Okay. Now second, fifth generation computer will use artificial intelligence. Really? A few moments ago we discussed about it. Fifth generation computer is using artificial intelligence. So answer is true. Microcomputers use microprocessors. Yes or no? The answer is yes. Microcomputers uses microprocessors. Mini computers are normally referred to as mid-range computers. Servers now? Yes, it is also correct. Mid-range computer is mini computer and enterprise servers are known as mainframe computers. Okay. Supercomputers are used for highly calculation intensive tasks. It is also true. In parallel processing, a single processor works on a multiple problems. Single processor. Here the answer is false. Okay. In this condition, the answer is false. Now, next, match the following. Column A, Pascaline. Where do you have to match this? To H, Blaise Pascal. Okay. Second, 1024 byte equals to 1 kilobyte. Byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Okay, remember this series: byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. ENIAC. If we talk about ENIAC, so related to the ENIAC is 1943. Okay. Next, RAM. What is RAM? Main circuit board? No. Then RAM is a primary memory. Now, motherboard. What is motherboard? It is a main circuit board in a computer who connects all the peripherals. Okay. Who connects all the peripherals or the components of the computer. Next, abacus. If we talk about abacus, you already know that it is the first calculating device. Yes. Next, analytical engine. As the name later comes, analytical engine, we remember the father of the computer, who is Charles Babbage. Okay. 1024 MB is equals to 1 gigabyte. Now 0 and 1 is what? 0 and 1 is a 0 and 1 are binary digits. And last, PC. Computer designed to be used by one person at a time. So here we have done this worksheet. Now next, answer in one word sentences. See beta, now we are going to discuss question answers in one word. First is, what part did first generation computer used? What part? Obviously vacuum tube. Vacuum tubes were used in first generation of computer. Second, what replaced vacuum tubes in third generation computer? In first generation we use vacuum tubes, in second generation transistor, in third generation integrated circuits. So answer is here, integrated circuits. Next, what is terminal? What is terminal? So terminals are used to connect a user to the computer. Terminals are used to connect a user to the computer. Next, when did microcomputers come into existence? When? In the period of 1971 to present time. So basically it will start from the 1971. In this beta it is given 1971, but existence of 19 microcomputers is from 1974. Okay. In which generation of computers were microprocessors used for the first time? In which generation of computers were microprocessors used for the first time? So remember, first is for the vacuum tubes, second is for the transistor, third one is for the integrated circuit, and fourth generation is for microprocessor. So here the answer is fourth generation. Okay. Now next question, sixth. What will be the advantage of fifth generation computers? What is the advantage of fifth generation of computer? Basically, fifth generation computer is based on the artificial intelligence. So it is in artificial intelligence they are able to take the decisions on the store data. They can take decisions. That means here we can go or not, do or not. So there are certain guidelines which will be provided to the computer system. Based on this, they will follow the instructions. They will do the things by own self. So the answer is these will take decision based on stored data. Okay, next, 7th. Which technique was used to develop microprocessor? So technique is VLSY. Very large scale integration, which combined thousands of transistor based circuit into chip. Now we are going to start next worksheet. Answer the following, which is maybe of one or more than one lines. Okay, so first question is, name the components used in every generation computers. So first component, first generation computer used vacuum tubes, second generation used transistor, third integrated circuit, fourth microprocessor, and fifth artificial intelligence, AI. Okay. Next question. Write a short note on microcomputers. So what are microcomputers? Right? Microcomputers are small computers whose CPU is microprocessor contained on a single integrated circuit. Okay. Next. What is workstation? Workstation is like a personal computer, but it has a more powerful microprocessor. So here it is answer. Workstation is like a personal computer, but it has a more powerful microprocessor and general a higher quality monitor. Like my computer. You can come and see beta. I have very good computer system. For which purpose are supercomputer used? So there are so many purposes beta. They are used for research of medicine, petroleum, weather forecasting, So supercomputers are used for highly calculation intensive tasks such as weather forecast, climate research, physical simulation of the flying airplanes, nuclear energy research, and petroleum exploration. Next, what is parallel processing? Parallel processing, in which simultaneously where we are working on the where the several microprocessors work simultaneously is a parallel processing. Parallel processing is the simultaneous use of more than one CPU to execute a single program. Okay. So beta, at last you have a crossword puzzle. This puzzle you have to solve by own self and write the answers on comment box. Okay, I will wait for your answer. Have a good day. Stay well, stay safe, stay at home.